Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2016 Burgman 400 motor scooter. This beautiful two-person motor scooter just arrived with only 9,400 miles on the odometer. ABS brakes, automatic transmission, fuel injected, liquid cooled. This touring rig just arrived. You can take this thing around the bay or across the United States of America. Beautiful Suzuki matte gray Burgman. Come on by and make your dreams come true with this gorgeous motor scooter. Only $49.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.